In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your status in Microsoft Teams so it stays available constantly. Having a steady, available status can be quite useful if you want to appear reachable and attentive, especially in a busy work environment where visibility to colleagues can be crucial. Now let's walk through the simple steps to achieve this. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to Microsoft Teams. This can be done easily from any web browser or by opening the app on your computer or device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your personal settings. Once you're in Microsoft Teams, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. It serves not just as a visual representation of you, but also as a gateway to personal settings. By clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear, showing various options that allow you to manage your account settings more efficiently. Now within this drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Status. This is where you'll be making your adjustments. Click on Status and take note of the choices available here. The goal is to maintain a constant available status, which will show your profile with a green indicator. This is important as it signals to your colleagues that you are online and say, "Hello, I'm here and ready to engage." By selecting Available, you're effectively telling Microsoft Teams to override any default settings it might have. Typically, Teams detects when you're inactive and can switch your status automatically to something like Away if you haven't interacted with your computer for a while. Fortunately, by manually setting your status to Available, you maintain the green status light no matter what. Remember, consistency is key. The option selected will keep your status constant unless you decide to change it again in the future. Should you need to step away or want to convey that you are busy, you can always return to the profile menu to adjust your status to Busy, Do Not Disturb, or another as needed. And that's it. You've successfully set your Microsoft Teams status to stay available, ensuring you are always just a click away from communication with your team. This small adjustment can enhance workplace productivity by making you easily reachable, no matter how swamped your day might be with tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, the comment section is always open for your inquiries. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.